If you're trying to break into the programming field as a junior software engineer or a junior web developer, it is extremely hard right now. There's a lot of talk about why this is, if it's AI, if it's companies just looking to scale back. Regardless of what the actual cause is, if you want to break into the field, this is my unsolicited advice. I've been in the programming field about 13 years now. I'm currently a lead software engineer, but I started as a web developer right after the end of the last recession. And it was incredibly difficult to land my first job. So if I was starting again from scratch today, this is what I would do to stand out. The first thing would be to ignore pretty much all job search engine sites, and this includes LinkedIn. For a lot of these, they've kind of been poisoned by people just rapidly firing off botted resumes and tailoring each one of them specifically using AI for the job at hand. Job listings on these websites, if they're even real, are just getting inundated with fake resumes. So what's there to do? You can go to a company's direct careers page. Any company that you might want to work for, or any company that you come across on a day-to-day basis, go and take a look at their career page and see what they're hiring for. And speaking of what they're hiring for, I think you should basically just skip the junior label. For the most part, a lot of companies right now are just saying that they are not going to hire junior developers because they don't believe that they can bring a good amount of effort to the company and create value for work that can be done by seniors using LLM and AI tools to kind of speed up their process. Instead, just brand yourself as a programmer, a web developer, a software engineer, just the typical starting off label, but don't include junior in that, even if you have no experience, because you can build up experience by building your own stuff. Now, as a disclaimer, this take is pretty privileged. There's a lot of people who don't have the time or resources to do work on the side for free in the hopes of getting a job. But by doing this, it not only adds experience to your resume, but it does show prospective employers they're able to come up with an idea and build it start to finish, release it into the world, and maintain it. This is actually how I got my first job. My resume was empty besides a cashier position, but I spent time building websites for friends and family and used those as experience and padded a lot of my resume with them. And by all means, use the tools available at your disposal. Don't 100% rely on AI to do everything for you with one or two prompts, but use it as kind of your junior developer. Figure out something that you want to build, an app to scratch your own itch, a website for your dog, but create something that is uniquely you. Put your own little twist on it or your specific design, even if it doesn't look good, as long as it's unique and stands out. At the end of the day, it's all about getting your foot in the door and showing that you're competent to whoever is trying to hire you. That's really all that matters. It's a numbers game, it's a luck game, but having a decent portfolio of stuff that you have created on your own increases those odds pretty dramatically.